Okay, so I have the ET6 governor. I have disassembled the top of it, and I have the original spring that was in it. And the key, if you remember the last time I was doing this months and months ago, is that this spring is exactly the right size to go over this shaft, but also fit inside here without rubbing on the case. So I need to make sure that I have a spring that is exactly, and of course I just dropped one, big enough to fit over this shaft, but not much bigger than that, or it will foul inside this cap. And that means just trying out a few here. In the other video, I scavenged these from cigarette lighters, and on the end it curls together and narrows, so trimming that end off. That one doesn't fit over the shaft, so that one is a dud. These two came out of the same style of lighter, I believe, but I'm just going to pop the ends off all these and try each one. That one's too small, and that one's too small. Let's see if this branded Bic lighter is a slightly bigger spring. It is also too small to fit on that shaft, so I'm gonna maybe have to scavenge other springs, but I don't have a good replacement for this, and I don't want to cut the original spring down, just because obviously once you cut the original you can't put it back together, and then I will be completely without a governor on this engine. So I guess we will have to dig and scavenge for more springs for this engine.